Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is AH. So in this video we are gonna talk about the OnePlus 8T with the announcement of the giveaway winner and a shout out for you guys. So now let's get started. First let us talk about the OnePlus 8T. Here I'm gonna compare it with OnePlus 8 and see the what are the improvements and so. So now let's start. So the launch date is on October 14th. It's confirmed by the OnePlus. So when we come to the body here, it's a tad bit thicker than the OnePlus 8. So I think so everything is same apart from that, and I think so it's a bit heavy too. Now when we come to display here, there is no much major improvement. You still have the fluid AMOLED display, but you have 120 Hz refresh rate. That's new, 60 to 120. Now when we come to OS, you have a upgrade here. It's Android 11 with Oxygen OS 11. So I think so processor is rumored to be 865, and I think so can come with 865 plus 2. Now when we come to the memory and that thing, that's nothing new, you know that. Now when we come to the camera, here I think so there is a fight between the 64 MP camera and the 48. If 64 MP camera is given by the OnePlus, then I think so it's better than the 48 MP 2 years old sensor. Now selfie camera, there's a confirmed rumor that it will come with 32 MP camera, which is good. And I think so you can find 4K 30 FPS support here or 60 because you got it in OnePlus Nord. Now sound, you'll have stereo speakers here, I confirm that. Now when we come to Wi-Fi and that you have Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, radio is not there, but you have Type-C 3.1. When we talk about Type-C, let's talk about the battery. Here you're gonna have 4500 mAh batteries, that dual batteries, and you'll have 65 watt fast charging. That's a great update here. Now when we come to the sensors, you have all the flagship sensors and under display camera, sorry, under display fingerprint, and you have the face unlock, and you have one more color, I think so, a new color with this. Okay, now let us talk about the giveaway winner. Here the giveaway winner is Art Phobia. So I'm gonna contact them, and I'll interact them personally and send them the OnePlus Buds. Thank you for commenting. Here we have our two commentators of today, and here I'm gonna give a shout out to them. So the two commentators of the day are Clan Beaker and Kiran. So thank you for supporting me, guys, and you got hearts from me, and you'll keep getting them. And thank you for your beautiful comments. So I think you're a bit sad, but don't worry. But in the next giveaway, you have a chance to win again. I'll update on the giveaway in the next video. Thank you, guys.